Excel is not hard. It's just badly taught. Most people learn Excel like a list of commands, sum, VLOOKUP, if, and still can't solve real problems. That's broken learning. Welcome to Excel Vortex. This channel is not about memorizing formulas. It's about thinking in Excel. You'll build templates real people actually use, track money, make decisions, play games, break things, fix them. Every video has a purpose. Every sheet solves a problem. No filler, no theory for the sake of theory. You don't need 2 hours a day. You need the right 20 minutes. Learn Excel like a tool, not like a textbook. This is Excel Vortex, where chaos turns into control. Let's start simple and end powerful.